Hello. Today we will discuss how to add a student from your waitlist by using Student Add Authorization in the self-service platform. To begin, go to the college homepage and select Faculty and Staff from the upper left. From there, in the navigational menu, choose Log In to Self-Service. This may bring you to a page that asks you to define faculty as your role, and you'll see a course overview once you've done that of your courses by semester. For the purpose of this video, we'll switch to a test course. So here in your courses, choose the course that you're interested in adding students to, and you'll come to Section Details. Here, click on the Waitlist tab, and you'll see the active waitlist of students. This active waitlist displays currently waitlisted students. Depending on your waitlist, you might also have below this a non-active waitlist. This displays students who have been removed from the waitlist by either enrolling in the course or dropping from the waitlist. To expand or collapse these views, just use the arrow on the right. And if you have more than one student in your waitlist, you can adjust the ranking by using these arrows. To grant an add authorization via the waitlist, you can give students permission to register by simply clicking on the Add button. Then select OK, and once you've done so, you'll see a notification about whether the add was successful. Next, you can see the permissions that you've granted by clicking on the Permissions tab. And then you want to choose Add Authorization. Now, say you want to add a student who is not on your waitlist. This is the screen to do so. You can put the student's ID here and search, and the lookup function will find the student's information. You can click on that, request to add that student by selecting OK, and you will also receive a notification here. Then if you like, you can go back to the Faculty Permissions page and back to Add Authorization to see your student adds. In addition, if you have added a student and you would like to revoke their add, you can choose the Revoke button here, and this will delete them from the class. So I hope this was helpful, and good luck adding your students.